Hey there and welcome back to the channel. As we step into May 2025, there's a lot going on. Longer days, warmer evenings, and for over 70 million Americans, another round of Social Security payments is on the way. Whether you're receiving SSI, SSDI, retirement, survivors, or spousal benefits, or even a VA beneficiary, these updates could directly impact your budget, your planning, and your peace of mind. This month, we're covering important payment dates, new laws and enforcement rules, changes to deposit procedures, and what's being called the biggest Social Security reform in decades. Let's begin with the May 2025 payment calendar, so you know when to expect your deposit. SSI recipients. Your payment lands on Thursday, May 1st. If you receive both SSI and Social Security, or your Social Security started before May 1997, expect your payment on Friday, May 2nd. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th, your check will arrive on Wednesday, May 14th. If your birthday is between the 11th and 20th, look for your deposit on Wednesday, May 21st. And if your birthday is from the 21st to 31st, your payment comes in on Wednesday, May 28th. Bonus tip: June's SSI payment will arrive early on Friday, May 30th because June 1st falls on a weekend. So yes, you'll receive 2 SSI payments in May. Now let's talk about a huge update. The Social Security Fairness Act is now in effect. This law repeals the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. 2 rules that cut benefits for millions of public sector workers like teachers, police officers, and firefighters. Over 1.1 million people have already received back payments totaling more than $7.5 billion, with the average lump sum around $6,710. If this applies to you, check your deposit, and if it doesn't, it still matters, because it shows how serious reform is finally happening. But not all updates are positive. As of March 27th, if SSA claims you were overpaid, even if it was their mistake, they can now withhold 100% of your monthly check until the overpayment is recovered. That's a major shift from the 10% cap during the pandemic. If you get an overpayment notice, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. You can request a waiver, file an appeal, or set up a payment plan. Just remember, you have limited time to respond, and the consequences of doing nothing can be serious. Next up, changes to how you update your direct deposit info or verify your identity. As of April 14th, you can no longer update bank info over the phone. You'll need to log into your My Social Security account online or visit your local SSA office in person. This is part of the SSA's fraud prevention push. However, after public backlash, they did back off from fully banning phone-based applications. So yes, you can still apply by phone, but if your case is flagged, you may need to verify your identity in person. Let's talk about the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, launched under President Trump and led by Elon Musk. DOGE plans to lay off 7,000 SSA workers, shut down over 25 local SSA offices, and replace outdated systems with modern tech. This might save $800 million a year, but critics say it's too much, too fast. A federal judge has already stepped in, blocking DOGE staff from accessing private SSA data, citing privacy law violations. The 2.5% COLA increase from January is still active, but prices, especially for food, rent, and gas, continue to climb. Also, starting May 5th, student loan garnishments from Social Security benefits are back. This has outraged many, especially low-income seniors. So what can you do this month? Double-check your deposit dates, review your MISA account, and watch out for mail or email alerts. If something's off, take action right away. And don't forget, your story could help others. If you face delays, overpayments, or changes, drop a comment below. You're not alone, and your voice matters. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.